Hello everyone, welcome to another affiliate marketing guide and step-by-step tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join Harrods affiliate program and how to start earning from Harrods affiliate program. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to visit harrods.com. Now, as you can see, this is their official website. And if you scroll down right here, you will be able to see this section right here. Now, as you can see, what I like to do is I like to just hit Control F and then hit affiliate, and you will find become an affiliate here. Additionally, what you can do is you can go to Google, type in Harrods affiliate, and here you have a link that will lead you to their affiliate website. So basically click this is pretty much the same. You will land on this page right here. Now, as you can see, here are some of the benefits. So benefits are competitive commission rate on all approved sales, 30-day cookie window. That means that people, when they click on their link, they have 30 days until the decision and until you can make money from that link. And then you have regular newsletters, exclusive content that you can use for your marketing materials and stuff like that. Now, as you can see, how do I join? If you have any questions regarding the affiliate program, you can always contact them via their email, which is rm and then you have minus and then harrodsteamglobal@mail.rakuten.com. You can use that, or you can just go here and just completely click join now. Now, once you click join now, you will have to go through their registration through Rakuten Advertising. That is the platform that holds them accountable. So basically what you can do is just fill out all of these your information, fill out your information, your contact and account information, primary website information, and stuff like that. Now basically you will need to go through this alone, right? I won't be able to guide you through this, but this is pretty much the same thing as on any other affiliate platform. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.